Boy, me can't even remember when me upset such a blood clot. After me buy woman a tank, cause the woman have water problem at her place. And me say, yo, me I go check it woman and me go woman yard. You know say woman have man lock up in her house, brother. All me I call the woman now come out. And me see her and the man in the place. What no that? Tell me true.
Any of them bumbo class time, because I fuck up every bumbo class thing. You hear me I tell you? Make one of them come out and bumbo class with my smell. Every now joke with them in the dog. Everything when I pay for in this bumbo class, I have to get back in the dog. That me, yo, come in, G. That me a bumbo class. Every bumbo class thing out of this, everything out of this bumbo class. Drive when I bump up like I'm a drive one. Girl, a wicked girl, yo. Nothing I get for me, brother. Yeah, me I tell them like yo, everything. You see, I'm a tank for the bumbo clock to stop. Me I take down that bumbo clock, dog. Watch this.
Boy, me can't even remember when me upset such a blood clot. After me buy woman a tank, cause the woman have water problem at her place. And me say, yo, me I go check it woman and me go woman yard. You know say woman have man lock up in her house, brother. All me I call the woman now come out. And me see her and the man in the place. What no that? Tell me true.
So bro, stab up the tank and I let out the water out tight. Because mom's locked up in the house with woman in there. You see what I say? Style man thing. But bro, we're proud of you still, you know. But me would stab up the tank. I make sure me drain the water out. And me I send somebody to take down the tank. I want the tank and I not lose both way. You see me? Yeah, and you realize majority of women them the oh, that's why me buy my own thing and me independent and me this and that. There goes woman versus accountability. You see me? Because none of them now say, you know, say she should do this and should do that. Bro, I'll even me build all the rooftop there. I want somebody to take off the rooftop too. If I buy a jars, I want it back. A cup, I want it back. Ice cream, I want it back. I don't give a fuck when I use a whole on the woman. So, as I say, we're proud of you, my general. You see me? The one thing me that do, I just take back the tank completely. I'm going to stab it up.
So this guy right here, I think he has a girlfriend in Jamaica. Him buy the girlfriend TV, buy her tank. She don't have any water, so he buy her this brand new tank, get it fixed up at the top of the roof. Went to the house, find a woman with man locked up in the house. So, what I have to say about this is this. If you don't want the man, don't take the man money. And if you don't want the man at all, don't take his goods, don't take his gifts. Because ladies, sometimes what you don't realize is when you take a man gift and you take a man money and you let them buy them things and you know full well that your intention was never pure from the get-go, you will suffer the consequences. I am saying this to say that if she wasn't locked up in that house, guys, go and watch the video. The man was so angry that he went on top of the house and cut the tank with the water that he bought her, smashed the TV and everything else he bought her. He destroyed it because of anger. I could see why, because he went to the house and the woman is locked up in the house with another man. Now you tell me if that is right. She is wrong, definitely, because if that's your partner, what are you doing in the house with another man locked up? Nice and tight up in there. You know, that is wrong. Also, yes, I know he's upset, and yes, I know he's angry. You let me know, does he have a right to destroy the things? These things that he destroyed is now a property of hers because he gave it to her as a gift, right? And now criminal damage to the very gifts that he gave to her. Now, you let me know your opinion on the matter. Do you think he had a right to do what he did? In spite of the situation that happened with this woman. The only thing I can say is, on a different note, ladies, learn to do things for yourself. Because when you start buying your own goods and you start making your own money, When the man is upset with you, he not come take your furniture. He can't take your bedding, can't take nothing for you because you're making your own money. Regardless of wherever you are, whatever is going on in your life, make your own money. Some people say that this guy, what he did was better than unaliving the woman. Let me know your thoughts on the matter and watch this video, guys.
What going me G? Yo, John, no man, hungry. Why we no go check McDonald's? You know, want a hamburger. Then make we go check Rodney. When them hungry, watch everybody.
Welcome back, guys. Guys, I don't know if we start that video, but I go start this video. How you do? You know, alright? I hope each and every one of you is in good health and good strength. And as always, guys, I hope you're not feeling no pain. I hope you is good health and good strength. And if you are feeling any pain, remember video. Go and go check the doctor. Go down at the doctor. Call the doctor, make the doctor come check you if you have the money. But if you don't have the money, don't worry yourself. Call somebody. Your friend, your cousin, your uncle, your brother, your sister. All even your enemy. Because them they're closer than you know. And if mental health is that dangerous thing. So tell you what you do. Do some wellness check on your friends and your family. Make sure them all right. And check up on them because mental health crisis is not a joke. And guys, if it's your birthday, go shorty. It's your birthday. It's your birthday. And you don't know, we not give a if it's your birthday, just go in the club and have some fun. Yeah man, just have some fun if it's your birthday today. But guys, you know, me have a way. When me make video, me have a way to make videos. Sometimes you see something trending. And me not really like the trending things them too tough. Because sometimes some of these trending things, you see, we get you in a trouble. And we make people look by you senseless. Some of them. Because what we really want to talk about, and here you see the man with mash up the tank. And here you see it. You don't see the video. I want to see the comment them where people are left. I want to see where some woman are say. I want to see where some people are say, me one man say, boy, he should have burned down the whole house. Me see one next woman say, who? A long time if it. Me see so much things that people are say him should have do to the woman because the woman wicked. And me see people are say how the man no have no right to bust up the tank and mash up the TV. Me see all sort of something. But me no say nothing because me have questions in my brain and me I say to myself, hold on a little bit. Guys, this is what me say. Me say to myself, say, me not like man will stay that way. And me I go be honest with you. Me not like no man or woman will stay that way. If you buy, if you're not woman in a relationship and you buy something, give the woman. You buy, give to the woman. You never buy it and say, this is for me, but you all keep it. You buy it for the woman because love is in the air, sex is in the ear, everything is in the ear, everything in the ear, right? Okay. So, I said to myself, said something not right, so. What wasn't right to me was when him in the woman house. My question is, if the woman in the house with a man and him going at the house and the woman and the man lock up in a room around there, how the woman never come out, come say nothing? And that me you saying, and me I say something not right with this. And me ask myself the question, what kind of man is in that room with that man and not come out, come do nothing or say nothing, knowing that is Jamaica. A Jamaica that. So you believe say a man a go in a room with the woman and hear a man out the road and mash up the TV and mash up the tank?
Now, my viewers and subscribers, to my surprise, to my surprise, listen, hold on a little bit. Listen here, listen to this. Listen.
People, when I see the video, when I see a grown the man I cut the tank. Yeah, I'm me my talk. I'm my tank man I cut. And him is a liar. People you see from last year, him come take off some panty off a line when him did buy for me. And some clothes me left him. Me and this man not there no more. Me left the man. And you see my talk about how me lock up in a room with man. People not go say the new man me I talk to fly me out of foreign me there. And people are send me the video of the dirty man I cut me tank. What a dirty mama man. Me not in a no room with no man a foreign me the people. And the dirty man got my house and mash up my place. And cut the tank. Him could have just take it up and go on with it. Because right now, a 4 tank me new man buy give me. 4. So him just wasting time cut that 1 tank there. In a no room with no man a foreign me TV did already ship. And the dirty man got me. So when him come and cut that mash up the old TV and buy from 2020 give me. And cut the tank. Did that do to me. Him could have just take it up and go on with it. People is a dirty mama man. Because right now, a 4 tank me new man buy give me. 4. So him just wasting time cut that 1 tank there. Him not do nothing to me. Plus my TV did already ship. So when him come and cut that mash up that old TV and buy from 2020 give me, when think him did that do to me? People is a dirty mama man. Me and him not dead people. Me and him left long time. And the dirty man come. And me yard when me not did it, cause man know me they are foreign. The man gone and me yard gone mash up my things them and cut up the drum. And my neighbor them a call me and tell me say what go on. Me no there Jamaica and the dirty man go there cut me drum. He's a dirty mama man. If him buy a little food yeah, and him have an argument, him take it back. And him name me say take it back. Look how long me left you, sir. You're gonna cut jump on video away you want. Away this just want a viral moment or something. I hope no other woman not take you up. I hope the other woman them see the video and afraid of you. And you even have woman live with right now, you're gonna me gonna cut jump. I wonder how she feel. Cause for me that take my foot in my hand and run. Cause when you come and take off the panty them off of the line where you did buy give me left you. So when you come and me had a try. And you know me not did it. You know me never did it. Come that let out Bruno Pan if me did it. You know me never did it, that's why you come there. All dirty mama man.
So, some people, you hear what the lady said? The lady said, this man buy her some drawers in a 2022 and take them back. Half of the line. And from then, he left the man. And at the same time, he buy the TV. Now, my question is this, you see? If you buy a TV for a woman from 2022, 2026, you go mash up the TV because you find out that the woman have a man. But the greatest part of the whole video was that the lady said she never died Jamaica. Cause me I wonder how the hell you in the house and the woman no come out of the house. None at all. If you come say anything. So that means the woman that foreign. And you going at the woman place. So that is called vandalism. Breaking and entering. You got Hey, you gonna walk house. Wait a little bit. Wait a little bit. So tell me something. Breaking and entering. Hold on a little bit. Hold on a little bit. So tell me something. So you're going at the woman's house when she not there? Breaking and entering. And guess what? Guess what happened? Guess what happened? You video the crime. Hold on. You video the crime. Hold on. Hold on a little bit. Hold on, I'm viral you want. Hold on, your viral moment. Your viral moment I'm gonna put you in prison. Hold on. Your viral moment I'm gonna put you in prison. Because the woman saying that for it. And you go in her house. Go vandalize our house. That means you're breaking and entering, vandalism the woman's house and property, because even if you buy it, 2022 it then at the house, you mash up the woman sitting. So that's 2 charges. Let me see if there's another one. Burglary is breaking and entering. So, hey, your viral moment, I go send you to work house. But make we go back a little bit. Make we go back a little bit. So tell me something. So you buy the woman drawers and go take them off a line? Hold on. So, oh boy. So yeah, Mr. Take it back. So let me ask you something. So from 2022, you buy our drawers and you and her left. So you never get none of the good. So what if she what if she tell you say she want back her? Huh? How you gonna manage? My viewers and subscribers, out of fun and joke. Put fun and joke aside. Men's. Let me tell you something. Me have a saying for say, if you cannot afford to lose it, don't give it. If you cannot afford to lose it, don't give it. Me not care what no woman, no man want to say. Hold on, before we even go into that. The lady say you live with a woman. And it is allegedly that you're a married man. I don't know if he's a married man, yes or no, but them say allegedly he's a married man. If he is a married man, or if you live with a woman, how that woman is feeling at this moment, or how that woman should feel, or do you think that woman should pack up what she have and gone about her business? Or you think that woman should take the heels of the man and run? Because if you do that woman that, and this woman says she's living, she's in foreign, And she said her man by the new man. She said the new man fly her out. And the new man buy 4 tank and new TV. So, is it jealousy or you carry that thing, the feelings? My viewers and subscribers, let me say this to my fellow men. Again, if you cannot afford to lose it, do not spend it. If you're with a woman and that woman is somebody who you love and care about, you buy her things, you give her things. If you and that woman part, it's that woman's job to decide it if she want to keep what you buy for her or she want to part ways with it. That's her responsibility. Not because the relationship broke up, you must go and damage or you must go and take back what you have give to the woman. What if everybody on this earth should do that? What if every single man and woman on this earth should do that? When a relationship break up, they take back everything they give to that person. What do you think would happen? What do you think would happen? The junkyard would full from the... Let me tell you something. If that should happen, the whole world would be a junkyard. Because we all buy things, give woman. Take for instance me. I've been in many relationships. And every relationship I go in, I'm buying things. Oh yeah. I'm buying things, give that woman. I buy house. I buy car. I buy everything there is. Give woman. Everything that I can afford. I didn't buy no plane because I can't buy a plane. Not even for myself, so I not go buy for no woman. You think I take back any? When the relationship broke up? No. I leave them. I go as far as even walk out of them. But I didn't travel with nothing that I buy for a woman or a lady or the person I be with. Because when you buy it for her, you buy it for her. You didn't buy it for yourself. So when enough of you out there I talk about the man should have this, the man should have that, how you feel now knowing that the woman wasn't even in the house? The woman wasn't even in Jamaica. The man is living with a woman. How you feel knowing that the woman is not even in a relationship with this man anymore from 2020 what? How you really feel knowing that this woman is telling you guys that anything this man buy for her, this man will take it, tell her, or take it back? How you all feel now? Are you guys feeling good about what you all say about this lady? Guys, we never know the real full truth about a lot of things. And that's why sometimes I weigh my words. I think before I talk. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, I'm not going too much into this situation because his viral video is going to send him to prison. Because the viral video that he make is the viral evidence. This viral video where he make is called viral evidence. The viral evidence of him a punch at the tank and do all kind of something. Go send him go work house. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, I will see you now in the next video. I'm out. Bye-bye.